We are here at 15203 Hastings Drive in Dolton at our open house. It is Saturday. We're going to be here from 2 to 7, and then again tomorrow from 2 to 7. We have had a price improvement. We are now listed at 169.9. We want you to be able to buy the perfect house for you. We are at a corner lot. I love it. I call her Lady Hastings because that's where we are on Hastings Drive. And she is lovely. On the corner lot, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Come on inside. So we are in Dolton. And before we walk through, I kind of want to address, I guess, what's the phrase? The elephant in the room, or the gorilla in the room, the bull in the china shop, elephant in the room. So, Dolton has been in the news because of the mayor.
Oh my God.
And I don't know when they're going to be out of the news when this whole mayor situation is better. But don't let that deter you from moving to Dolton. Dolton is made up of people. It's not made up of a mayor. So this neighborhood is gonna be what the people make it. You are on a lovely corner lot here on a block with owners, longtime owners, new owners. There's another agent I know who just sold a property on the block. So these people care about the block. I've done the door knocking and they care about who is on their block. They don't necessarily worry about the mayor, even though that does affect some policies in the town. It's the people that make up the town. So come on over to Dolton. Another thing we want to talk about is the businesses in the area. So there is a Menards just a couple of blocks away from here. I love Menards. They are turning into, or maybe they've always been, kind of like a Walmart. They have food. I don't know if you know they have food. They have a lot of other things. But anything you need for the home, of course, is available at Menards. There is a Jewel Osco down the street. There's also another grocery store, Fairway. There are a number of other restaurants and retail stores. And then you're not far from River Oaks and Calumet City, Sam's Club, JCPenney, Macy's, and some other shopping for people who like to shop. And then the all-time ultimate shopper, you are not far from Indiana, which has some of the best low-tax shopping around. So with all that said, let's walk through a little bit. So if you came in, as you may have seen, we have the hardwood floors, which are beautiful. They have been refinished. I love it because they just reflect so much light. You have a full wall of windows, which is, again, is a lot of natural light, saving you money on energy because you really don't have to have a lot of lights on during the daytime. Just open your blinds. I like this pass through right into the kitchen. If you want to, this can be like your little breakfast nook. Or it could just be some space where you put some seating for people who want to hang out while you're cooking. If people like to cook, I'm not really a fan of cooking, but it can be a great time for a family to come together. So you have plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinet space, new stainless steel appliances that they are lovely. And then again, you have this very welcoming pass-through into the great room. So people can be in different parts of the house and still be connected and still see one another, talk to one another, enjoy one another. This is one of my favorite things. I have the fireplace on so you guys can see it. I wanted to bring my big cushions because I'm a big cushions person. I wanted to bring my cushion and set it up here and just kind of be relaxed, but I didn't want to be too relaxed for the open house. So people come in and see me chilling on the floor. Again, you have lovely windows. Floor to ceiling windows are my favorite. Again, tons and tons of light. And as you can see, there's the garage right there. So once the spring comes and summer comes, you'll be able to see all that pretty greenery out there that you have in your yard. That just kind of adds to the ambiance of this space. I like nature, I like outside, I like fire, wind. So this combination, to me, I love it. So we can walk and we'll just peek over here real quick. Where we have our half bath and laundry space. So we have a connection to outside. It's kind of cool out, so I'm just gonna show you that we can't get outside. I don't want to go out because it's kind of cool out right now.
You should go out there.
Huh?
You should go out there.
So before we go out, I want to talk to you about a few other things in the community. There is a bowling alley, Dolton Bowl, which has been in the neighborhood, I think, for decades. My husband played at that bowling alley for a long time. His family, his...
Bowled.
What'd I say?
Played.
My husband played, bowled, he said bowled at the bowling alley. His family still bowls there. It is a great location for people who like to bowl or just looking for a place to hang out on the weekend. There's also a new business called St. Patrick's. I think it's about 3 stories tall. It's this large glass building. It is beautiful from the outside. I'm not sure what it is, but it says that they have some kind of membership. And it looks like a bar, maybe a cigar bar or some kind of club. It's beautiful. So there are things happening in Dolton other than, again, what's happening with the mayor. There's some good stuff out here. So let's go outside.
There also is a soccer right next to Dolton. You remember when we were driving in there? It's a soccer place. It's like the Pullman Center.
Oh, soccer practice?
It's a big old soccer thing, and it's a field house.
Okay, is it still room? Yeah. So he also just told me by Dolton Bowl, there's a soccer field house area, I guess, to practice. I didn't know about it. I'm not sure what's in it, but again, that's another attraction to this area. You have any kids interested in soccer, or if you're interested in soccer, check it out. All right, so now, if you want to, when the season is right, open up your patio doors and come enjoy your outdoor space and kind of expand your living space. You can include this, get some nice furniture set up out here. If you like to garden, there's tons of space out here for gardening. There was a swing attached to this tree. So that's always another option. There are also stands that you can get that you attach the seat to. And again, put another swing out there. There's a lot of space. There's a lot you can do out here. Over here is a 2-car garage that can be used, of course, for your cars. You do have a concrete pad out in front, but also it's an option for more storage space. And I like that you can pull into the garage and come through the garage door and into the back, as opposed to walking all the way around to the front. So it is like a private entry. And I don't know about you guys, I have always wanted a tree house. And I feel like there's some treehouse possibilities back here. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, we're back inside. Let's go to the bedrooms. So it's cool that you have all this open space for hanging out, if you have people over, entertaining, but your bedrooms are totally separate from everything else. You can send your guests to the half bath, and then you have your full bath. Full bath back here, separate from the guests. And then your 3 bedrooms. Again, lots of lighting coming in through the windows. Very good sized closets. And who doesn't love full size mirror? Bedroom, and you can see all the lighting that's coming in here. This is, I love it. And then your 3rd bedroom. All of these rooms have really nice sized closets. So there's one more closet here. And if you've ever watched like Home Alone or any of those like kids playing and hiding around in the house and everything and finding secret rooms, there's an attic up here. You just pull this down and the stairs come down and you go up into the attic, and it can be additional storage, or maybe one day you might want to open it up and put a dormer up there and have like a master suite or just an extra beautiful space for you in the home. It's an option. I like stuff like that. So that is Lady Hastings, guys. We are here for the open house today from 2 to 7 and tomorrow from 2 to 7. I want to make sure you guys have time to get here and look for yourself. If you're ready to buy, come make an offer. The seller is motivated and ready to sell, and it is priced to sell. Call me if you have any questions, if you'd like to know how much your payments might be. If you have any questions about financing, let's talk. Hope to see you.